Imagine a car that looked like luxury, sounded like thunder, and moved like a missile. Now imagine it almost vanished from history, until today. This is the 1963 Chrysler 300J, a revival of one of America's most powerful yet forgotten luxury muscle cars. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might just change how you see classic power forever. Welcome to Car OG 765, the home of timeless classics, forgotten legends, and pure American horsepower. If you love vintage rides, hit that subscribe button and let's fire up the engines of history together. The year was 1963, America was roaring into the space age. While others were experimenting with compact cars, Chrysler was crafting something different, something bold, beautiful, and brutal, the 300J. This wasn't just a car, it was an attitude on wheels. A massive 6.8-liter V8 engine producing 390 horsepower, paired with a body that screamed elegance. It was a blend of jet-age design and brute power, a combination that made the 300J stand out even among giants like Cadillac and Lincoln. Engine power and performance. The 300J didn't believe in quiet luxury, it believed in dominance. Under the hood, the 413 cubic inch, wedge head, V8 came alive with dual 4-barrel carburetors. That meant 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8 seconds, impressive for a 2-ton luxury beast of the early 60s. It was smooth, it was fast, and it had a sound that could wake an entire neighborhood. Every roar from the exhaust reminded drivers that Chrysler wasn't just building cars, they were building statements. Design and interior. The exterior lines were long and sleek. That classic forward-leaning front grille made it look ready to launch into orbit. Step inside, and it was pure luxury. Bucket seats front and back, a full-length center console, and aircraft-inspired gauges. It wasn't a car, it was a cockpit for the road. Chrysler designed the 300J for those who wanted to arrive in power and style. Every chrome detail, every stitch of leather, whispered class and confidence. Decline and rarity. But even masterpieces have their struggles. The 300J's high price and bold personality meant only a few hundred were ever built, just 400 units, to be exact. And that makes it one of the rarest Chryslers ever made. In the shadow of Mustangs and Corvettes, the 300J quietly faded away, a hidden chapter in American muscle history. Revival and modern appreciation. Today, collectors are bringing the 300J back to life. Restorers are polishing its chrome, reviving its thunderous heart, and proving that the letter series Chryslers were decades ahead of their time. With auctions valuing pristine models at over $100,000, the 300J is no longer forgotten, it's finally respected as the luxury muscle pioneer it always was. Closing with emotion and CTA. The 1963 Chrysler 300J revival isn't just a comeback, it's a reminder that style, strength, and soul never die. They just wait for the right time to roar again. If you enjoyed this ride through automotive history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car OG 765. Your support keeps these legends alive, one classic at a time.